Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're gonna make Indonesian oxtail soup. For ingredients, let's check down below. Here, I have 2 pounds or 1 kilo of beef oxtail. I have about 250 grams of carrots, 250 grams potato, 1 onion, unsalted butter, 1 cinnamon stick, about 5 centimeters to 6 centimeters, 4 cloves of garlic, 5 to 6 of clove, about 2 to 3 centimeters of ginger, 2 star anise, and about a quarter of nutmeg. Then we have 2 tomatoes, beef powder, pepper, sugar, salt. First step, I'm gonna blanch or cook my oxtail in a boiling water for about 5 minutes, just to get rid of the gamey smell. After 5 minutes, now you want to turn off your heat and then drain the water and then wash your oxtail with cold water. After you wash it, you want to put it on the side, and now we're gonna move to the spices. For today's soup, I'm gonna use instant pot to cook it. So first things first, you want to saute on your spices. So put your settings on saute. You want to put in about 1 tablespoon of butter. When the butter is melted, now you want to add your onion. You want to saute this for about a minute or 2. After a minute, you see all the fragrance and it became softened a little bit. You want to add your garlic. Ginger. Saute for about 30 seconds or until it became fragrant. After all became fragrant, now you add all the spices. Cinnamon stick, clove, star anise, and nutmeg. Saute for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds or everything became fragrant, now add your oxtail. Give a little mix. After you mix it well, now you want to put in about 2 liters of water inside. Give it a little mix. And I'm going to add seasoning now. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. White pepper, half teaspoon. Beef powder, 1 tablespoon. Mix a little bit. And then now we're gonna pressure cook this for about 40 minutes. Now you need to close your lid and change your setting to meat or stew. and we're gonna pressure cook it for about 40 minutes. When the time is up, you just want to release the vapor. When there is no more sound, it's safe to open. So now, just open it. Give a little mix. Add your carrots and your potato. Give it a little try. At this point on, when you want to need sugar or salt, you can put it on. Now we're gonna close it back. And now we're gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. When the time is up, now you just wanna release the vapor. When there's no more sound, it's safe to open. Now we're gonna open it. And now we're gonna assemble it. Alright, so this is the final results. So the condiments that I use, I'm gonna have fried shallots, parsley, green onions, and chili sauce. Chili sauce, how to make it is exactly the same like the Soto Madura versions. So check that video out. So you wanna put parsley, a little bit of green onion, a little bit of everything, fried shallots, and a little bit of chili sauce. There you go guys, enjoy it, give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video.